In this session, now we are going to go over groups. Within CCB, Levine, our ministry teams, our small groups, are all set up into groups. If you're part of Facebook or other social networking websites, there are groups that allow communication between people within that group, conversation on different topics, those kind of things as well. And this is set up the same way that when you click on the Groups tab at the top, first thing you're going to see are the groups that you're involved in. And again, you'll see everybody's in the entire church group. Emma's in the Lead Sunday group, Refinement, the Servant Evangelism group, as well as our small group. And so again, this shows just your groups that you're listed as members of. If you want to browse what groups are available that are out there publicly, you can just click on the Browse Groups button, and then this goes into a much larger list of what groups are available publicly within the church for everybody to see. And the only people who can see these groups are those that have CCB access, unless they are listed as a public small group, in which case that would be able to be seen on our website at some point. But under the groups section, if you click on the calendar, you can then scroll down, and if there's anything listed here, this will be the calendar for your groups for the entire month. And you see my calendar is listed right here. Scroll down a little bit. My calendar is highlighted, and this would be your calendar specifically. You can also click on the church-wide calendar, and you'll be able to see all the events within the church, church-wide as well. And we'll just click on Lead Sunday, for instance. Gives you information right here about where it's located at, location, those kind of things. And if you need more detail, then you can see who's here, who's coming, those kind of things as well. Most of you should have gotten, be able to go into the Lead Sunday calendar, RSVP here. Let's click on Emily's RSVP for here. Yes, she's going to attend. And boom, she's now added to the attending list as well. So we'll just click back on the calendar again, and this now, again, this shows stuff specifically for her. That's the Lead Sunday group calendar. If you go back to the church-wide calendar, you should be able to see all the different things that are going on within the church that's publicly put on the church-wide calendar. When adding things to the church-wide calendar, Melody Shipley will be the one that has the say and will be administering the church-wide calendar. And you can also, through this, if you need to add something for your group to the calendar, then you will be able to reserve building at some point through this system as well. And even though you sign up for the room, Melody will still be the one to approve or deny any building reservations also. Messages, these are your messages for your groups. They're sent specifically within your group as well. You can browse public messages that are out there in public groups. And if you've posted anything as well, you can add these there. Within your groups, if there are any needs, we'll go more into that later, but we can also do needs-based. If there's let's say you're having a small group having a potluck, and somebody needs to bring the pork and beans, you can put that on here. Or if somebody needs to bring the Kool-Aid or whatever, you can put that on here as well. And so eventually we'll be able to put positions that are volunteer positions that are available. Also within groups, you can also put other files up as well. And on the next video, we're going to show briefly a little bit about people and the communication tabs that are available to you also. Thanks.